I'm Chloe, and I'm excited to introduce you to a game-changing solution for rail infrastructure monitoring, the CRM 3000 by Joule Inventive. Whether you're responsible for safety, operations or maintenance, this product could transform how you manage critical rail temperature monitoring. The CRM 3000 is an advanced NB-IoT sensor designed to monitor rail temperature and provide remote, reliable data to help you make smarter, safer decisions across your network. It measures between -25 to +75 C, catering to both hot and cold weather climates. It's compact, robust, and purpose-built for real-world rail environments. Let's look at some of the big challenges that the rail industry faces today. Number 1, aging infrastructure. Much of the rail network was built more than a century ago, and maintaining it while keeping services running is a constant struggle. Number 2, temperature track issues. Extreme weather from heat waves to frost can cause rail distortion, buckling, and even frozen points. These events often result in speed restrictions to keep passengers safe and avoid costly cancellations. For example, broken buckled track incidents have caused widespread disruption and millions in cost. Number 3, safety risk. Traditional manual rail temperature measurements require staff to go trackside, exposing them to operational hazards. All these factors create pressure for rail operators to reduce delays, manage risks, all while improving operational efficiency. So why do you need this product? Well, that's where the CRM 2000 really fills a gap. Instead of relying on sporadic manual checks, it continuously captures temperature data remotely and sends it securely via NB-IoT technology. This means that operators can stay constantly informed, remove unnecessary worker-side exposure, anticipate potential rail failures before they occur, and reduce delays and operational disruptions. It's not just data, it's actionable insight. So what value does the CRM 3000 actually bring? Improve safety. There's no need for personnel on the track to take temperature measurements, reducing the risk. Reduce downtime. Seeing trends early helps prevent unplanned closures and emergency repairs. Greater efficiency. Real-time data helps optimise maintenance planning and reduce unnecessary speed restrictions across the network. Rapid deployment. The sensor's easy to mount via magnetic fixings with no heavy installation process. Remote alerts and dashboards. Threshold alarms and customisable dashboards keep your whole team informed via the online platform. In short, it's safety, visibility and operational performance, delivered with minimal fuss and minimal fees. Let's look at a real-world example, Translink in Northern Ireland. In early 2022, Translink approached Joule Inventive looking for a remote digital solution to monitor rail temperatures across their network, from Londonderry in the northwest to the border south of Newry. Here's what they needed. A solution that was easy to deploy, real-time rail temperature data across their network, automated alerts when temperatures reach set thresholds, and reduced requirements for staff to go trackside. Translink deployed 40 CRM 3000 devices across their network, placing them strategically near Met Office weather stations, south-facing cut-ins, and key infrastructure like bascule bridges to correlate predicted air temperatures with actual rail temperatures. Thanks to the magnetic quick-fit installation, devices were installed quickly and with minimal disruption to the network. Before deployment in July and August 2021, Translink recorded an estimated 5,333 minutes of speed restrictions, triggered by rail temperatures reaching 45 degrees Celsius or above. After CRM deployment in 2022, that number reduced dramatically to just 1,468 minutes over the same 2-month period. This is particularly significant because 2022 recorded some of the highest temperatures on record, yet speed restrictions were substantially reduced. As a result, Translink reported greater confidence in managing their network, improved operational efficiency, and reduced severity and duration of speed restrictions due to reliable real-time data. So let's hear from one of our other customers, First in Rail, who've been using the CRM 3000 for 3 years now in their everyday operations.
My name's Ryan Hughes, I'm a Senior Project Manager for First in Rail.
We've been using the CRM 3000 for approximately 3 years now to establish part of how we manage track rail temperatures in our compliance. We needed a real-time track temperature monitoring device that allowed us to be more proactive in the way that we manage our CRT. We were having a lot of boots up hours, we were sending people to site and taking a lot of our resources. So we needed something that was real-time data. We found that in some areas it became impractical, or in some cases impossible to get access to site with line blockages, which imposed a safety issue as well as time constraints on the project, which is why we went for a remote instead. By installing the CRM at locations throughout the country, this now means that we don't have to react to hot weather changes throughout the UK. We now install them at locations, and we've got a more proactive approach to how we manage our CRT. We need to, we can then review the real-time data for temperature and to mobilize the CRT watchment if required. What I like about the CRM 3000 is that we can set site-specific parameters around the CRT values, and then the system can give us real-time alerts set up specifically against each device. So we get alerts that mean we can manage that before it becomes critical, rather than having site deployed PS on site. The CRM 3000 is really easy to use. We manage all of our sites, track reports in through the asset map. So our developers based around the country, click on those and see the live data there. We can then act accordingly on that and be proactive. We do use the online platform, but can use a really easy system that can set tailor-made alerts based on your CRM values, and then you can act accordingly with that, and it can distribute it between clients or network maintenance from their rest of the data as well. Now we don't have to send multiple people across different sites. One competent CRT coordinator can oversee our full management for CRT requirements when we fetch the track support zone. So not only are we reducing the amount of people we spend to site, we're also reducing the operational cost and improving our data. The CRM 3000 has improved our ability to monitor track. We can give real-time track temperature data at the click of a button. We don't have to rely solely on people going to site to take storage readings, access and track underlying blockages. We can literally go online, manage that process, and have the confidence, and instill that confidence in our clients and their clients that we have that data to have the click. The big benefit of using the CRM 3000 has to be improved control. You can now allocate our resources much more efficiently. We improve our safety by not as many people on track where it's not required. And our overall visibility of our CRT management has increased.
Here are some frequently asked questions that we get about the CRM 3000. Question 1. What exactly does the CRM 3000 measure? It measures rail temperature and sends that data via NB-IoT straight to our online monitoring platform. Question 2. How often does it communicate? Measurements can be taken as frequently as every 5 minutes. Standard units upload hourly to the platform, but variable threshold versions can upload more frequently based on your conditions. Question 3. Is the installation complex? Not at all. The magnetic fixing makes installation straightforward with minimal disruption to your daily operations. Question 4. So how does this help with compliance? Historical temperature records and dashboards help with audit reporting and compliance across your industry. Question 5. So how easy is it for me to get it up and running? It's really straightforward. All you need to do is attach the CRM 3000 to the web of the rail, and we'll handle the rest. That includes connectivity, software, and 24/7 support, giving you a fully managed end-to-end solution for temperature monitoring. And finally, question 6. Is the CRM 3000 working in my territory? The CRM 3000 uses NB-IoT connectivity. So if there is IoT coverage in your area, you're good to go. It's already used internationally, but if you're unsure, just get in touch and we'll check for you. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more or see the CRM 3000 in action, visit jouleninventive.com or get in touch with our team.